Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys 20 video transitions that you can use for your videos on CapCut PC. So let's just go to the transition section. I'm just going to try to make this as quick as I can. The first one is the switch transition. You're just going to select that and you're going to add it to your video like this, and this is what it looks like. You can adjust the duration, of course. I think that one's cool for like presentations. And then we have this black smoke transition. This is what it looks like. Number 3, we have the white smoke transition. That's how it looks. Next, we have the flame. Whoops, sorry. Next, we have the mix video transition. Like that. Then we have the pull in transition. Okay. And then the rest, we have the circle, the burn. I'm not going to add this one by one. The open one, the erasure, glare 2, whoosh, ink, dissolve, light sweep, light beam, blur, vertical blur, as well as color glitch. And the last one are the clouds one that you can add to your videos. And that is pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.